I chose the Acting Center because out of all the different places in LA, I feel like this one definitely feels the most accepting and the least critical. If I were training at a more critical school, it would definitely shut me down as an artist. I feel like it would inhibit me from doing my best work. That's definitely not the case here. At the other acting studios, I wasn't pushing myself as hard as I, should have. It's definitely much different here at the Acting Center. I found that whenever I'm in an audition setting or on set and I'm given direction, it's easy for me to not be like, ooh, get in my head about it and kind of shut down. What I like most about the Acting Center is the curriculum. They really, really emphasize fully being another person and being that character rather than just sort of mimicking someone or just kind of pretending. They really have you be that person. And just that idea is so interesting to me. This is such a unique way of approaching acting and it's really great and I'm so glad that I get to have a chance to study it.